my name is Sivan and I am the Jezyks Officer for Pitt Quo Vadis. Stay tuned and I'll teach you how to make your very own Jezyk. The Jezyk making process breaks down into 3 big steps: cutting, rolling, and stringing. To start off, you'll need wrapping paper, a CD, scissors, a sharp pencil, a glue stick, some buttons, some floss, and a needle. This is a Jezyk slice. You will need 12 of them in order to make a Jezyk. I will teach you how to make 6 on camera, and then I will make 6 more off camera. Now I'm going to show you how to cut some Jezyk slices. To start off, you're going to trace the CD onto the wrapping paper. Make sure you trace the inner and outer circle of the CD. You're going to want to trace 12 slices. Leave a tiny bit of space between each slice so that you have room to cut them out. Next, you're going to want to cut out each individual Jezyk slice. For me, it's helpful to cut out each one as its own square and then cut out this big circle, the CD trace, but you can do it any way that works. Make sure you're cutting out only the outer circle though. Leave that inner circle alone. You're going to need it for later. So now that we're here just chilling, making some Jezyk slices, let me tell you a little bit about Jezyks. So Jezyks are a Polish ornament. The word Jezyk actually comes from the Polish word jez, which means porcupine, hence the spikes. Jezyks are actually a huge part of Quo Vadis. They are both our main club fundraiser and our most regular club bonding event. We make Jezyks together every single Friday from 3 to 5. As the Jezyks officer, it's my job to teach all the new trainees the art of Jezyk making. I also work hard to make Jezyks fun for everyone. I'll tell you some more on that later. Back to Jezyk slice making. Next up, we're going to fold each Jezyk slice in half 3 times. These are going to be your guidelines for cutting. To cut, you're going to take your scissors and make a cut on each one of those lines. Each cut should stop right at that inner circle that we traced earlier. You're going to once again repeat this 12 times. With 2020 shaping up to be a wild ride, Jezyks has been quite different this year. Making Zoom Jezyks fun and engaging was quite a challenge, but we've definitely kept the spirit of Jezyks alive. If you ever pop by a Jezyk session, whether online or in the Korean room, you'll find us gathering together while playing fun games, listening to music, and bonding over our favorite dinosaurs. My favorite dinosaur is the Triceratops, of course, because it triceratops all the other dinosaurs. Next up, we're gonna roll. To roll, you're going to start by putting a nice healthy amount of glue on that left side of the Jezyk. And when I say healthy, I mean healthy. Get that glue on there. Then you're going to line up your sharp pencil parallel to the top right edge of the Jezyk. Make sure that it is slightly under the paper so that you don't make a hole in your Jezyk. You're going to roll in the pencil and the right edge of the Jezyk about 3/4 of the way. Use your finger on your left hand to push the left side of the paper over. This should make a nice sharp point. The tighter you roll, the sharper the point. Rolling is the hardest part of the Jezyk making process, so please have patience with yourself and be so kind to yourself. The first time I rolled a Jezyk, Zach, our former Jezyk officer, told me I did a wonderful job, and then he proceeded to go into the corner and unroll and re-roll all of my Jezyk slices. Now I'm the Jezyk officer. If I can do it, you can do it too. You'll get it eventually, I know you can. So I've rolled 2 Jezyk slices with you, and I'm going to roll the other 10 off camera. Time to string. To string, you're going to measure out a piece of floss that's about as long as your arm. You're going to string that floss in one hole of the button and out the other. I'm using a needle to do this, but feel free to just use your hand. Once the button is in the middle of the floss piece, put both ends of the floss piece through your needle so that there's a tiny part of them sticking out. Then you're going to stack 6 Jezyk slices design side down through the needle. In this step, the needle is not optional. You must use it. Then you're going to stack the other 6 Jezyk slices, but make sure they're facing the other way. Stringing is my personal favorite part of the Jezyk making process, so make sure to have some fun with this. Once you're done, you can make your stack bounce a few times. This isn't actually helpful, it's just fun. Then take your second button, string one end of the floss through one hole and the other end of the floss through the other hole. I'm once again using a needle to do this, but you can just use your hands. Alright, then for this last part, you're going to take one piece of floss in each hand and pull. You're going to tie one knot to keep it secure and then one knot to tie both of the pieces of floss together. Congrats, you did it! You made a Jezyk!